Hello friends! Welcome back to Decor Tricks. The kitchen has evolved far beyond just a space for cooking. It's now the heart of the home, a place for creativity, connection, and expression. In 2025, kitchen remodeling trends are all about merging functionality with stunning design. Imagine sleek, smart appliances working seamlessly with sustainable materials and bold, beautiful colors that bring life to the space. Whether you're planning a complete overhaul or looking for a few fresh updates, these ideas will transform your kitchen into a stylish and inviting haven. The kitchens of 2025 are smarter than ever. Picture ovens that preheat with a tap on your phone, refrigerators that track expiration dates, and faucets that turn on with a simple wave. Smart lighting takes it a step further, allowing you to adjust brightness and color to match your mood or occasion. These innovations aren't just futuristic, they make everyday tasks more efficient and enjoyable while also helping to save energy. By integrating smart technology, your kitchen becomes a space that works with you, not just for you. Smart appliances also enhance safety, with features like automatic shutoffs and alerts for potential issues. Plus, they add a touch of luxury, turning your kitchen into a high-tech, functional masterpiece. In 2025, sustainability is at the core of kitchen remodeling. Homeowners are embracing materials that are not only stylish but also environmentally friendly. Picture countertops made from recycled glass, cabinets crafted from fast-growing bamboo, or backsplashes created with reclaimed wood. These materials offer a natural, earthy charm while reducing your environmental footprint. What's more, sustainable materials are incredibly durable, standing up to the wear and tear of daily use. By choosing eco-conscious options, you're not just creating a beautiful kitchen, you're also making a positive impact on the planet. In 2025, kitchen cabinets are stepping into the spotlight with bold and vibrant colors. Say goodbye to the traditional all-white look and hello to rich shades like navy blue, deep forest green, and even dramatic matte black. These striking hues create a sense of depth and sophistication, making your kitchen feel both modern and inviting. To elevate the look further, pair bold cabinets with metallic accents like brushed gold or matte silver hardware. This combination adds a touch of luxury and helps the colors pop. Whether you're going for a dramatic statement or a subtle touch of flair, bold cabinets are the way to go. Kitchen islands are transforming into the ultimate multitasking hubs in 2025. No longer just a countertop for food prep, these islands now serve as dining tables, workstations, and even storage powerhouses. Imagine an island with built-in drawers, open shelves for easy access to essentials, or even an integrated wine cooler for entertaining guests. For added functionality, some islands feature cooktops, sinks, or charging stations, making them a true centerpiece of convenience. These designs not only maximize space but also enhance the flow and usability of your kitchen, adapting to the diverse needs of modern living. Open shelving is making a major comeback in 2025, replacing some upper cabinets to create a more airy and personalized feel. This trend allows you to showcase your favorite dishes, decorative plants, or unique glassware, adding character and warmth to your kitchen. Not only does open shelving offer easy access to everyday items, but it also lets you display your personality through thoughtful organization and styling. Whether it's a collection of vintage mugs or fresh herbs in stylish pots, these shelves give your kitchen a lived-in, welcoming atmosphere. Lighting in the kitchen is no longer just about function, it's a key design element in 2025. Oversized pendant lights, bold chandeliers, and layered lighting are becoming essential to create a dramatic atmosphere. Whether hanging above the island or over the dining area, statement lighting serves as a focal point that adds style and character to the room. This year, the trend leans toward fixtures with unique shapes or striking finishes like matte black, brass, or gold. These eye-catching lights not only brighten the space but also elevate the entire kitchen design, making it feel more dynamic and sophisticated. Layered lighting, with a mix of ambient, task, and accent lights, ensures every corner of your kitchen is well lit while enhancing its overall aesthetic. With the right lighting, your kitchen becomes a stylish, functional space that reflects your personal taste. Remodeling your kitchen in 2025 is all about blending style with functionality. From integrating smart technology to embracing bold cabinet colors and sustainable materials, there are endless ways to create a space that is both beautiful and practical. Whether you're making small updates or doing a full overhaul, these trends offer exciting opportunities to transform your kitchen into the heart of your home. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Decor Tricks for more inspiring design tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest trends and creative ideas.